Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 50 Instagram banners. These templates for sales and sale advertising and health, fitness, etc. You can change everything. You can adjust your own title or your own details if you want. So I show you, these are fashion. Replace your image here. You can change everything, every color. So first I show you, these are online shopping. Replace your image here, replace your image. And here is yoga fitness for the mind, body and soul. Yoga studio, you write your own studio name. So first I show you so I drag these files on Photoshop. So drag this file, Photoshop CC 2018, and you see here in layer area, every layer have a group. Simply 3 option is 4 option for your image here. So I select this image, path, double click image. Here we need a portrait image, for example like this. Okay, I close this file, rotate, enter, right click, create clipping mask. You see here, delete this, Control S for saving. Wow, replace your image. Here we need a portrait, but I adjust this picture. Close this file, delete text and right click, create clipping mask. For example, I adjust this file. Okay, enter. I just try to you write your own title here or everything. You can change color, double click here, you can import your image. So I close this file and open another file, export dreams. Okay, drag on Photoshop, replace your image. We need one photo. Like this. Enter, Control S. Wow, you can adjust one by one your product or your detail here, your main title. These are shadow. Okay, and close this file and open last file. Are you ready? Okay, apply grant and overlay. Wow, double click here, we need image. Okay, enter, Control S. Wow, you can adjust more. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.